am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
And welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking Excel 2B simulation exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses on Mayate Lab, Pearson, Cengage, Mintab, MC Graw-Hills, Blackboard, and many more colleges and universities. Okay, if you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. Okay, let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Question number 1 is that rename the sheet 1 worksheet tab to QTR1. Right click on this sheet 1 and then simply click on rename button. Okay, and rename sheet 1 as QTR1. Okay, now moving on, next question, change the color of the QTR1 worksheet tab to orange SN2. Okay, we will click on, right click on QTR1 worksheet tab. Orange SN2, right click on this, go to the tab color, we will select tab color orange SN2, 6 column first row. Orange SN2 is here, click on this color will be applied on QTR1 worksheet tab. Now rename the sheet 2 worksheet tab to QTR2. Simply right click on sheet 2 tab. Okay, right click on sheet 2 tab, click on rename button, and then rename sheet 2 as QTR2. QTR2. Okay, change the color of the QTR2 worksheet to gold SN4. Simply we will click on QTR2 worksheet tab, right click on this tab, and then we will apply the color gold SN4. You can see here, right click on this, click on tab color, we will apply gold SN4. tab color is here, click on this color. I have applied this color on this worksheet. Question is completed now. Okay, now next question is that on the QTR1 worksheet in cell B3 format the date using the 31412 format. Okay, on the QTR1 worksheet in cell B3 format the date using the 31412 format. We will simply go to the QTR1 worksheet and then click on cell B3. Okay, go to the home tab in the number group, go to the number group and then apply more number format. Go to the QTR1 worksheet and then click on cell B3, go to the number group and then go to the custom, and then we will select is here 31412. Go to the date, select 31412. Okay, first we will select this cell B3, then go to the number group and then go to the date and then select this date. Now in cell E3 tab the date 3/1/2018. Simply we will click on cell E3 and then in the formula bar we will tab 3/1/2018. Okay, use format painter to copy the date format from B3 to E3. We will click on cell B3 and then go to the home tab. In the clipboard group, click on use format painter button and then through cell E3. We will use formatter and then click on cell E3. Next question is that on the QTR1 sheet, clear the content from cell A2. Okay, go to the QTR1 worksheet and then click on cell A2 and then clear the contents. Okay, go to the editing group, click on clear content button and then click on clear contents. Okay, in cell A2 type QTR1 sales. Go to the Excel workbook, click on cell A2 and then we will type QTR1 sales. Okay, simultaneously clear the format from the range A4 to E4. We will select this range A4 to E4. First we will select this range A4 to E4 and then we will clear the contents, clear the formats from the range A4 to E4. Okay, go to the home tab in the editing group, click on clear format button and then click on clear formats button. Okay, this question is done now. Now moving on, next question is question number 4. Okay, copy the range A5 to A11 from the QTR1 worksheet and use paste from the paste button option gallery to paste the selection to the same location in QTR2 sheet. Simply we will copy this range A5 to A11 from QTR1 worksheet A5 to A11. Go to the home tab. We will simply click on Ctrl plus C for copy. Okay, this range will be copied and now use paste from the paste option gallery to paste the selection to the same location in the QTR2 sheet. Go to the QTR2 sheet and then we will paste in the same location on QTR2 sheet. Click on QTR2 sheet and then we will paste on the same location this range. Okay, click on here, go to the home tab and then paste here, or we will simply Ctrl plus V for paste. Okay, go to the home tab in the clipboard group, click on paste button. Okay, now clear the moving border from the selection in the QTR1 worksheet. Click on QTR1 worksheet. Question is completed now. Now moving on, next question is question number 5. I have done 4 questions of the simulation exam right now. Question number 5 is that sorry, my connection is average, it will be take some moments, really sorry. Please follow my video and you can done your exam by watching this video. If you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete exam for you with A+ grade. Okay, if you do not able to do this course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course. The next question is that group the QTR1, QTR2 and QTR3 and QTR4 sheet. Simply click on QTR1 worksheet and then press shift button and then select next worksheet. Click on QTR2, QTR3 and QTR4. On the grouped worksheet, simultaneously adjust the width of column A to E to 20. Okay, we will select column A to E. We will select this column A to E and then right click on this and then we will change the or we will simply set as here 20 pixel 20.145 pixel. Okay, tap transform your alt custom product in cell A1. Click on cell A1 and then we will in the formula bar we will tap transform your art dash custom product. Okay, apply the title cell style to the range A1 to E1. We will select this range and then go to the home tab in the styles group, click on cell style button and then apply title cell style. Okay, ungroup the worksheet and display the QTR2 sheet. Okay, right click on this and then click on ungroup worksheet and then we will Click on QTR2 worksheet. The next question is that group the QTR1, QTR2, QTR3 and QTR4 sheets. Simply we will press shift and then select all sheets. Click on QTR1 sheet, press shift and then select these 3 sheets, QTR2, QTR3 and QTR4 sheet. In cell E6, enter a function that sum the values in range B6 to D6. Simply we will go to the cell E6, press is equal to and enter sum function. Okay, click on cell E6, press is equal to, enter sum function, the value in the range B6 to D6, B6 to D6, and then press enter. It will be find total in cell E6. Then copy the function in the cell E6 to the range E7 to E11. Okay, copy down through the cell E6 to E11. Okay, question is completed now. Now moving on, question number 7. Question number 7 is that on the grouped worksheets, select the range E6 to E12. Use the sum function to enter total in the range B12 to E12 at the one time. Okay, we will simply select this range B6 to E12. Okay, and use the sum function to enter the total in the range B12 to E12. Go to the editing group. Okay, click on auto sum button. Question is completed now. Next question is question number 8. Okay, simultaneously apply accounting number format to the range B6 to E6 and B12 to E12. Simply we will select this range B6 to E6 and then press Ctrl and then select second range, and then we will apply accounting number format on this cell's range. First range is that B6 to E6. Okay, then scroll down and then select second range, press Ctrl and then select second range. For second range we will press command and then select then second range B12 to E12. Then go to the home tab. In the number group, apply accounting number format button is here. Apply comma style to the range B7 to E11. We will select this range B7 to E11. Go to the home tab. In the number group, click on comma button. Apply comma style. Apply the total cell style to the range B12 to E12. Okay, we will select this range B12 to E12. B12 to E12. First we will select this range, then go to the home tab. In the styles group, click on cell style button. Apply total cell style is here. Question is completed now. Now moving on, question number 9. I have done 8 questions of the simulation exam so far. Now moving on, question number 9. Ungroup the worksheets keeping the QTR1 sheet as the active sheet. Okay, right click on sheet QTR1 sheet and then click on ungroup worksheet button. The worksheet will be ungrouped. Right click on this, click on ungroup sheets button. The sheets will be ungrouped. Then display the QTR4 sheet. Click on QTR4 sheet. Question is completed now. Now moving on, next question is question number 10. Insert a new worksheet in the workbook to the right of the QTR1 worksheet. Rename the sheet summary. Okay, basically in this question we will insert a new worksheet in the workbook to the right of the QTR4 worksheet. Simply click on this plus sign. Okay, right of the QTR4 worksheet, the new worksheet will be inserted. Then we will rename this new worksheet to the summary name. Right click on this and then click on insert, click on plus sign. Okay, we will rename this sheet. Right click on this, click on rename button. We will rename this sheet as summary. On the summary worksheet, simultaneously widen column A to E to 16.43 120 pixel. Okay, go to the summary worksheet and then we will select column A to E. Select column A to E. Okay, and then we will set the width of column A2 to 16.43. Okay, type sales summary in cell A2, click on cell A2, and then we will type sales summary. We will type sales summary. Okay, margin and center the range A2 to E2. Click on cell A2 to E2. Select. First we will select this range A2 to E2. Cells range will be selected. Then go to the home tab in the alignment group. Click on margin center button. Okay, question is completed now. You can see I have done 11 question of this simulation exam. For remaining question, and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. I can do all online courses on my Yati Pearson and Sangage Mintab, MC Gra Hills, and MC Gra Hills Simnet, okay, and Blackboards. And I can do all online courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Math, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, MyLab Assess, Java, writing course, and many more online courses. Simply please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all assignments project, all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam with A+ grade. I am handling many students courses. I have done this course for many times for my many students. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my art students. Thank you so much.